Today I'm sowing some sunflowers. So although these are hardy annuals, you treat them as tender annuals really, because often the packets say that you can sow and get successful germination, but really they need a bit of warmth. So we're going to sow a few different varieties today. We've got a lovely dark red one, some paler yellow ones, and then we've also got some self-collected ones from some giant ones that we sowed last year. So look at the difference in the seed size there. These are some of the claret ones there, and this is one of the giant ones. So amazing difference there. So all I'm going to do is literally pop one in per cell, and I'm going to bury it as deep as the size of the cell. So obviously these ones are much smaller, so only put these maybe 1 centimetre deep, whereas any larger ones that you might be sowing, you want to get those as deep as the size of the cell, so those will be right down in the middle. This is just multi-purpose compost mixed with some perlite, and once I've sown them, all I'll do is pop them in a water bath to soak, and then I'll leave them in the greenhouse to germinate.